Jules. Lupin. GLG in the house, come on. All my gladiators, let's roll.
Will you remove your helmet and tell me your name?
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor, Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance.
Yeah, my name is Maximus Decimus Meridius. Goddamn, for gladiators at war, shit, that's some name. Armored frame, blood stains, one life to save. All he's gotta do to stay alive is take lives away. That's how it was then, and how it always be. In different forms, of course, I look to murder beats, bringing the rocker mentality to Vancouver streets. To make it in this game, bring on the Harlem Heat. Madison Square Garden, modern day Coliseum, modern day warfare, performing arts to please ya. Sold out crowds looking for some action, entertaining aspects, main event attractions, hoop dreaming, ice rinking, octagon fist meeting, sword swinging, shield clinking, battle axe blood streaming. Though times have changed, it still remains to keep the pay-per-view viewer smiles on their face and praise all the efforts that they do to amaze us, making moments last while earning every last buck. Who gives a fuck, homie? Did you see that slam dunk? They overpaid, Joe, but did you see that slap shot? While critics talk, hypocrites sit and watch, wishing they can get paid to critique what they bought. Shit, this has been going on for centuries. A kingdom's entertainment overlooked overseas. Except today, instead of kings on the throne, you got GMs on the phone, recruiting soldiers in arenas for performance shows. A warrior's sword is now an MC's flow on the microphone. Crowd cheering, screaming out, yelling more. Yo, encore to all them dream chasers, and au revoir to them dream haters. I throw it down like this, for the pride or the prime paper. This is the lifestyle of a gladiator. Yeah, when we at war,
My brothers of the sword, rather fight beside you than any army of thousands. Let no man forget how menacing we are. We are lions. You know what's there? Waiting beyond that beach. Immortality. Take it. It's yours.
I was taught to live by the sword, die by the sword. So I live by the mic and I die by the flow of all the greats, real artists to this day. Track 9 never changed, blueprinted in my brain. Cause all a man really has is his name, and I'd rather be slain than sell out to the game. If that was the case, then my name would be torn. Just unique, lyrical, with no soul, shit. But I've got soul, yeah, I've got soul. Born soldier, no boy, so don't kiss me through the phone. This a battlefield, ain't no time to pay mind to those doubting haters and foes who heard that jewels could flow. I'm chasing stadium status, kingdom and the throne. No queen, not yet, I'ma come up on my own. Opportunity to open up the biggest door like Achilles, screaming Hector at the walls of Troy. Yeah, I've been ready for war. No weapons, no fists, I'm just clever with words that'll make you think twice about your way of living. Shit, I was working day and night just to make a living, but now I got the confidence to tell you what I'm thinking. And I ain't faking this shit, this is real spitting. All artists are warriors, artists are martyrs who die expressing their views, and haters don't acknowledge them. Fans keep their words alive, just like the fans of the past who kept the names alive of warriors who fought for pride. But that was past, let me paint this into modern times and tell you what this moment means tonight. This is my Stanley Cup, Super Bowl, NBA Finals, World Cup, and Olympic gold. This is what I've waited for, the moment when you chanting encore, because you looking at a gladiator, yeah, and I'm at war.
are you, soldier?
Achilles. Son of Peleus.
Achilles. I'll remember the name.